Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Coolski 54 watts commercial freezer review, a game changer for your business. It is very large in shape. Positive cites this product. Ample storage. The Coolski 54 watts commercial freezer offers a generous 49 Cu.ft storage capacity, making it perfect for restaurants, cafes, and even garages. Say goodbye to space constraints. High-quality stainless steel, crafted with premium stainless steel. This freezer not only looks sleek, but also ensures durability and longevity. It can handle the rigors of a busy commercial kitchen effortlessly. Adjustable shelves. The unit comes with 8 adjustable shelves, allowing you to customize the storage space to accommodate a variety of items, from frozen foods to beverages. LED lighting. With built-in LED lighting, finding what you need is a breeze even in dimly lit environments. This feature not only enhances visibility, but also adds a touch of sophistication. Temperature range. The freezer maintains a consistent temperature range of -8 to 0, -22 degrees centigrade to -18 degrees centigrade, ensuring that your items stay frozen at the perfect temperature. ETL approved. Rest easy knowing that the Coolski freezer is ETL approved, meeting strict safety and quality standards, giving you peace of mind about the safety of your food and business. Special features. The special advantage is that it can be easily moved from one place to another. Wheels are attached to move from one place to another. As a result, we can easily move from one place to another. There are also more. Digital control panel. The intuitive digital control panel makes it effortless to set and monitor the freezer's temperature, ensuring precise temperature management. Self-closing door. The self-closing door ensures that the freezer stays sealed, preventing temperature fluctuations and reducing energy consumption. Lockable design. The unit features a lockable design to keep your valuable inventory secure and prevent unauthorized access. Heavy-duty casters. Easy mobility is made possible with heavy-duty casters, allowing you to move the freezer for cleaning or rearranging without any hassle. The Coolski 54 watts commercial freezer is a top-notch appliance for businesses in need of substantial frozen storage. Its premium build, LED lighting, and precise temperature control make it a standout choice. However, the initial cost and space considerations should be weighed against its benefits. Upgrade your business's frozen storage with the Coolski freezer today. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos and daily upload. If you need more information if you want to know different product quality and want to get product related videos every day, then subscribe my YouTube channel. And you want know the product price, check in the description box. And for any kind of problem, please comment. Thanks for my watching video.